Pnwrc Madness, Traxxas Xmaxx. We're going to do a speed run. 90 is the goal. We got these rapid 9500 using GNSS analyzer for speed. Castle Creations XLX2, 1700 kV, Pnwrc Madness belt drive, gone bananas. A bunch of trio parts, Pnwrc Madness parts, GPM parts. Let's go, guys. All right, today we're going to be using this GNSS speed analyzer. I'll try to leave a link for one of these in the link in the description as well. But here we go. It looks like we got 12 signals. So track, start. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, here we go, guys. All right, here we go, guys. Man, I've never seen cars here before, but here we go. We got about a quarter mile this way and a quarter mile that way, running through Taba. Belt drive. Here we go. All right, here we go, guys. Well, there we go, guys. I can't even believe it. I got it, guys, my first run. And, well, I lost signal for one. And I can't even believe it, guys. Guys, we made 291. Oh, man, I think we could have made it to 100 today. Anyways, I think my ESC cut out. I think I'm geared way too high, and that was the goal. 90 was the goal today, guys. Oh yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. It's gonna be a short video. Please do like and subscribe, follow for more, and watch out for that 12S XRT build coming soon, guys. Love you all. Talk to you later. There it is, 91. Let me see. So you can see I did it in one pass, guys. 3356. So divide that by 2. We're roughly like, I don't know, 1600 and something. I'm not a mathematician right now. I'm just super excited. So I went out 1600. Yeah. I've never, guys, super stoked. How's it going? 91. Here's the batteries I used. 4S. Trinity Rapids. Show you the other one. All right, there it is, guys. 91 miles per hour. That's my personal best. Belt drive done on a GNSS. We got GPM Outdrives. Those are the version 1. We're using HD lower arms. We got the Pnwrc Madness diff covers front and rear, hot racing arms, front and rear hot racing links, Vitavon steering rack, Trill steering brace, Pnwrc Madness motor mount, and what else, guys? We got the GPM hinge pins on this thing and the Pnwrc Madness 17mm hex. Anyways, guys, can't forget about the Pnwrc Madness straps, unbreakable straps made of Kevlar, carbon fiber. And yeah, thanks for watching the channel. Please do subscribe, leave me a like, and follow for more, guys.